Karl Marx shouldn't have survived 1863, and the only reason he did changed your world. London, winter, Marx is dying. Tuberculosis ravages his lungs. Blood stains his manuscripts. Das Kapital sits unfinished. His family watches him fade, but somehow he recovers. If he hadn't, no communist theory emerges. Lenin has no blueprint. The Russian Revolution collapses. Stalin never rises. No Soviet Union, no Cold War, no nuclear standoff. The entire 20th century reshapes around capitalism alone. You grow up in a completely different world, all because one man's lungs kept working. Follow for the next fracture.